àwọn tí wọ́n ń pe ara wọn ní critical thinker wọ́n ti sọ yí pé àwọn ti yọ ẹsẹ̀ kúrò ní ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad pé àwọn yọwọ́ for now. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ àti ìdí tí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ yìí tí wọ́n fi yọwọ́ kúrò nínú justice for Mohbad. In fact ṣe rí ibi tá à ń bá a lọ. In fact mi ò tí ì lè sọ pé wọ́n máa rí justice gbà àbí wọn ò ní rí justice gbà fún Mohbad. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ bí àwọn tawí bí wọ́n ṣe ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wá lọ gbọ́.
Like there was a communique that was sent yesterday, and that communique was very important so that the people will know where we stand. Because before yesterday, our phones has been ringing, phone calls, meetings here and there and here, and all that. And as a voice, we agreed and we put up a communique. So going forward, I would like a barrister to unmute and kindly read out again so that we take it up from there. You know, let us read out the communique so that we can take it up from there. Thank you, massive love for you people. Thank you for your support, and we appreciate you. We say thank you to you for believing in us. And please, can we have that communique, please? Can we have that communique being read?
Okay, thank you very much, Honorable Yokdadi. Good evening, everybody. Comment section. Thank you all for standing strong. And quick one, I'm going to read the communique right now. It says our final position on justice for Mohbad from the critical thinkers. From the very beginning of this struggle, we, the critical thinkers, stood firm beside Baba Aloba, the father of the late Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba. We made our choice because we believed and still believe that he was not in the house where this strategy occurred. Our mission was simple but resolute. One, to ensure that those who were in the house on the day Mohbad died were brought to book. Over the past years, we have given our strength, our voice, and our platforms to support Baba Aloba. We made sure he was heard. We ensured the world saw his pain and listened to his truth. Every interview on national TV, radio, newspapers, every appearance, and every opportunity given to him was anchored on one goal: justice for Mohbad, by holding accountable those present in that house. As even his partner, Wumi, confirmed that he died in the house. But today, it has become necessary to draw a line and speak plainly to all justice seekers. We are taking a full step back from the justice for Mohbad struggle for now. The strategies, the plans, and the direction of this fight are no longer in our hands. For this reason, no one should expect anything from critical thinkers in this pursuit. We have done our part. We have bowed out with our clear conscience. We also state unequivocally that we have nothing to do with the DNA process and we will not take responsibility for it. Our name should not be dragged into matters that do not concern us. As we step aside, we wish Mohbad's father strength and peace. We hope, as every truth seeker hopes, that justice, in whatever form it may come, will prevail. And to everyone who has stood with us on this journey, we say thank you for your love and support. History will remember where we stood with this. We take our bow. Signed, Oluwatosin Olaide Bayo Billion, Honorable Yokdadi. Critical thinkers, we spoke, we stood, but we are stepping aside. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Let me give it a round of applause there. Now, for people that have gotten mixed feelings from this communique, let me say this. we are not leaving justice for Mohbad. No. We are not leaving justice for Mohbad. You understand? In the last recent times, you all know that we have a standpoint, and our opinion is first of all to put Baba Aloba first in everything he does. Second of all, to make him give him a good PR in wherever he does. And for now, our standpoint is we're stepping back, we're stepping aside, we're taking a back seat till further notice. You understand? And that's where we're standing from. And what are our reasons? Let me say this. We have a series of things we want to really clear so that most of us will know why we are saying what we are saying. And it's not that we are not supporting Baba Joseph Aloba. I'm still repeating it. We're not leaving jail for him. We stand with the man 150%. But going forward, there are some things that we normally do as a group, as critical thinkers, which no longer will be going on. Individual, can put up stuff, but so that tomorrow that name critical thinkers will not be affected. So we want to set the record straight. Let me first of all go by saying this. There are a lot of false accusation, false rumor, false information that's been going on in the last couple of days. And permit me to start from this side. Somebody said, and I quote, if I'm not mistaken, that one of us was giving out information, and there was video that was sent to us. Your crew, a lot of critical thinkers, it was giving out. And for me, and for the sake of the public, nobody in the group that we belong does that. Nobody in the group that we belong does that. Barrister Tosin's name was mentioned, which for me, it is sad because people did not know the nitty-gritty of what happened. And let me quickly say this. Let me clear it. And let that clarification be cleared. Sometimes ago, we agreed as critical thinkers that we want to have a meeting with the family and everybody around the family that advises the family and all that. And at the point in time, the person that we're supposed to have, apparently all of us cannot fly down and have that meeting Zoom, via, online, will have been the best thing. So the family agree with us. So we actually wanted Senator Ishtok to be the person that will help us to connect us online with everybody. But considering the cost of bringing down Senator Ish and all that, we also know it's going to be too expensive for that to be achieved. So in that time, we reached out to Mrs. Rich Grace. Now, when we reached out to her, we talked at length, and she agreed, oh, no problem, it's a good move, I'm ready, blah, blah, blah. And all of us were happy. So the people that are saying that it is Barrister Oluwatosin that is leaking out critical information to Mrs. Rich Grace, that is null and void. It's from the pit of hell. Please just listen it. We actually call Mrs. Rich Grace that we want to have a meeting. We want to use you to connect us. And it was a family with the critical thinkers agreement. And we held that meeting with the legal team, and all of us, we stated our concern and what we expected, and we were fine about it. You understand? The details of the meeting, for the sake of this life, we might not be able to discuss in depth about what we discussed, but it was a fruitful meeting that day where all of us, we stated our concerns that vis-a-vis going forward in jail for him, these are the things we want you to look into. And lo and behold, that was sorted. So anybody saying that Barrister Tosin is a snitch, she's the one leaking out critical thinkers information, there is nothing of such. Again, I repeat myself, there is nothing of such. You know, we were the one that actually reached out to her. That, okay, for the sake of this meeting, this is what we want you to do. And she agreed to do that. You understand? So that is that about that. And going forward again, there's this statement that one of my wonderful sisters said, Moschino made a statement that I don't know, that Baba said it is only your Kanish talk that whether contribute money for him, that's the only people he can listen to. There is nothing that is like that. There is nothing of such. I have never heard that in my life. As a matter of fact, every platform has contributed to this movement in one way or the other. There is nothing like that. And in fact, to this extent that she was beating her chest, I don't know what happened between them, but the point we are stating here, that there is no conversation like that. And that is why anytime we come out, on behalf of Baba Mohbad, we appreciate every platform that has supported this cause. Whether be it the people that left angrily, that take turn, that made the U-turn, that they don't want to support Baba again because of one reason or the other, that is their decision. You understand? But on that one that I heard, that was said that Baba said, I don't know when Baba said that though. Maybe it might be a conversation between the Mrs. Richcliffe and Moschino. I'm less concerned, but he has never entered my ear. No, I have never heard it before, because even what's the name? Every platform, we all know how we do the movement. When we want to reach out for financial assistance, every platform, Vengeance, Yeti 70, Toyin Peperimpe, Comfy, BJ, every platform always participate. So please, let us jettison that. From our side, there is nothing like that. You understand? From our side, there is nothing like that. And another issue will came by about group or no group, group or no group. Let's quickly make a clarification here. At the point in time, Baba Mohbad reached out to us, the critical thinkers, that he wants to have a discussion, and he doesn't want only the critical thinkers. He wants to add some people that, you know, that he talks to, that he also believes that they speak one voice. The critical thinkers are speaking. Oh, fine, bless. We all agree. You know, for the fact that, don't forget, if we're in the same space, if we're in the same country, we can decide to have that kind of a meeting in a town hall. But the fact that that was not going to happen, we decided to make it an online meeting. So it was Baba that initiated the online meeting with these wonderful people. Let me state it clearly that we never regretted being part of that meeting, because at every meeting, our standpoint and genuineness for achieving justice for Mohbad was the number one agenda on the list. So as some people are saying, group con, no group con, group con, no group con, there is nothing. You know, at the point in time, there was a day Baba Mohbad came online and said that if anybody wants to join group, he should send requests, blah, 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 blah. Let me tell you, there is nothing aside the fact that in that group, when Baba wants to have a meeting, this is what we want to do, this is what we want to do, and what is the meeting for? 6 advices, and you know, and the elders in the meeting, they just oppose and they advise him the best way they think it should be done. And don't forget, it's just an advisory group. The onions lies on the person in charge to take it or to leave it. Thank you. In respect to the group thing that was saying, some people are in the groups. The only group that I know that stood firm in this matter You understand? I'm not saying host now. I'm not saying platforms. You get? It is the critical thinkers. That group is, God bless them. God bless the brain behind it. Now, again, let's move away from that. We all know, and this is what has caused a whole lot of whatever in the last couple of days. We all know and we believe, the critical thinkers believe that Mohbad died in the house. So from day one, we've been stating it that we also want the people in the house to be sued, not to be petitioned. You understand? To be sued, not to be petitioned. So when the former lawyer was there, we were opportuned to be on a call with him. And I remember that day, I asked that, sir, can we sue the people in the house? And the response I got then was, yeah, very well, but Corona is ongoing. We should wait. After the Corona inquest, we can start picking up suing, which was okay by us. So we let it slide. So at a point in time, this whole swing of people in the house came by again. The Corona was almost rounding up. So the privilege we had, we asked again, can we get these people sued? You understand? Don't get it twisted though. Everybody wants the people in the house to be sued. And I can, in all honesty, Baba Mohbad, I've said that before, that he also wants the people in the house to be sued. You understand? So, going forward, let's fast forward the OGs and all that. So it happened that, and we look at it holistically. Okay, we want to sue these people in the house. How do we achieve it? And we had a series of meetings. I'm not going to go into details of the series of the meeting. I'm not going to say anything about the meeting. I know some people are screen recording, but I'm not going to say the details of the meeting. Now, we agreed. Every party was on board on it. You understand? You know, but in life, what I learned is this. You know, we always say that at a point in time, you might feel this is the best time to act. And a whole lot of questions I started asking before they should have done it before now, blah, blah, blah. Why are they doing it now? It was because we were following what we heard. That, okay, after the inquest, we can start this process, which is, it was okay by us. You understand? So at that junction that we got to, you know, we picked out every every arsenal, everything. We reach out to people that, you know, that can agree, and let's move the move. You understand? And now let me clear this. The critical thinkers were not saying that Baba's lawyer should be changed. No, we never said that. We just want a situation where A is doing A, B is doing B. At the end of the day, we arrive as the same C, so that the bulk of load will not be on any shoulder. You know, so we started the first step and all that. So that is why we got to where we got to, as per this swing people, 40 people and all that. And when we got to that 40 people, you know, a whole story, everybody, blah, blah, blah. At a point in time, we sat down and we had a meeting within the critical thinkers. And we were saying that, what is happening? But this is where our own conclusion is. If we have said we want to take this step, and Baba is saying for now it's not needed, he's working on it with his lawyer, we respect his opinion. We respect his opinion. We're not going to flog issues. We're not saying, oh, let them crucify anybody. Let them cut that. No. We are using this to appeal to the public that as J4M is concerned, Baba is the person that is coordinating. You understand? So for some of us, we cannot cry more than the bereaved. It is what we want. It is what he wants. It is what he wants. Again, it is what he wants that we will follow. You understand? We will not come out tomorrow and start acting like some people that because Baba did not agree with whatever they are saying, we start cursing the man. No, you will not hear it from us.
Exactly.
Because we are very we are very patriotic Nigerian, and whichever way you call it, we are patriotic. I understand. So please, I beg every one of us, this is not the time to start throwing tantrums across all platforms. Let us calm down. If it's on this note, we've decided to, okay, if that is the way to go, for now, we want to go on recess. We are still in justice for Mohbad. Tomorrow, the platform can be open. We discuss justice for Mohbad. 100%. We're going nowhere. We cannot come and be cussing on Aloba or Aloba's legal thing. No, we will not go that route. No, we will not do that. You understand? If we do that, we will be like people want to share loy. We will be like them. You understand? But our standpoint still remains that we are not going to cry more than the bereaved. But Bible says and makes it clear that in everything you get, you must get understanding. No wonder King Solomon in the Bible, when God was saying, ask me anything you want, he didn't go to silver or gold. No. He said wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. That is what he wants. So in all that getting, from what we've said now, from what we've put out, in all that getting, get understanding. That the critical thinkers, they are not living J4M. No. We are not turning back. We just change our seat. Before, we used to be seated in front. But now, we want to go to the back and sit down and observe. You understand? And I say this for the sake of people that are just joining us. We are not against Joseph Aloba. As a matter of fact, he was not in the house when his son died. We believe his son pies in the house. So if as a group we've taken a step and he says, no, hold on, not for now, blah, 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 whatever the conversation may be, we respect his own view. We respect his own view and we'll take a seat back and fold arms and relax. And don't be surprised. There is one thing that is constant in life. It is change. It is change. You understand? Change is constant in life. And that's what we did. We moved from the front seat in the same hall of J4M. We relocated our seats to the back. And on this note, I don't know, maybe Barrister Lady, maybe there's some points I've forgotten, maybe Barrister Lady and Barrister Luatosin would like to add any addition or any subtraction. Please, Barrister Lady, over to you.
Thank you so much, Honorable York Daddy. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, the panelists. Oh, we only have one panel, yeah. Barrister Luatosin, my learned colleague. Good evening, commenters. Thank you so much for standing by. and it has been a tough last 5 days, and we just need to state it clearly. But I need to say something. I think all the things we agreed that we should come and say this evening, you've said that. But if I remember some, I will need to state it. But I've seen a lot of comments and assumptions flying around since this statement was made yesterday. Many are saying, the critical thinkers, they are leaving, or they've abandoned the fight for justice. Let me speak for myself as Olaide, barrister in the chamber. As a member of this group, I'm still very much a member, well, one of critical thinkers. My name remains attached to this cause. My convictions have not changed. My heart still beats for D4M. But at this stage, I need to make something clear. We are not the one controlling things. As people have been saying, critical thinkers should handle this, they should do this and that. Based on something that happened, we quickly come out, to debunk lies. We always say it's setting the record straight, debunk lies from the other camp. It's very easy for us to do that because we can easily reach out to the family and say what happened, so they quickly come out and say it critically without adding lies to it. As it is, we say it. This does not mean I no longer care, nor does it mean I've turned my back. It means that as things stand now, I've stepped back from being one of the people that are steering the process. I remain present, I remain watchful, and I remain committed in the spirit. But the control is no longer on my table and also on critical thinkers. So when people say we are living, that is not the full truth. The truth is we are sitting back. And sometimes sitting back is necessary when the cause of a struggle is no longer within your hands. To those who have supported us, I say thank you. To those who are worried or confused, I ask for your understanding. And to Mohbaf, whose memory continues to drive us, I say, your truth will not die. Surely, you will get that justice you deserve. And I want to say thank you to the critical thinkers. I love you. We received a lot of messages for the past 5 days. I need to say it. I've not stepped out of my house since on Friday. I've been home up to this very moment because the calls and the messages and the meetings are unreal. It was ridiculous. For those that have not picked their calls or put a message, well, I'm sorry. The message has just coming in droves. But again, it's a love of God for about to get our justice. Thank you, everyone. I am still gonna, analyze as I always do on this.
Thank you very much, Barrister Olaide. Please, let me quickly say this. I saw a comment in the comment section, and the person was like, so what happens to DNA? We've said it. We don't have to be explaining. We're saying that vividly, emphatically, that now we're taking a back seat. We trust the family to do the best they can do. So, and God will help every one of us all. Let me quickly say this. A post was sent to me that Faboni Annie posted. Please, Ma, I'm warning you, stop cutting my picture and mixing it up with whosoever I never have conversation with. I beg you to please stop that. And if you continue to, whatever you get out of it will be justified. Thank you very much. San Oluwatosin, can you please go ahead?
Thank you very much. Once again, good evening, everybody. Thank you all for standing strong on this course. I don't really have anything to say, right? But sometimes emotions, when you hear things, I got a lot of recording. By somebody is insulting you. This one is this one. I'm not angry. On this course, you hear things. People will insult you. They've done it before. So if she's coming again, I'm not worried. But it's good that we understand what is happening, because I understand that probably they don't know what is happening. They don't really know what it is. People will just come out and speak and talk. I'm not angry with whoever that said it, or the people who were in the comment section, or the person who mentioned my name. I understand how you guys feel. Emotions are high. So I'm not angry. I'm not angry with anybody that mentioned my name and said, this is this. People are critical thinkers. It's fine. It's your opinion, and you're entitled to your opinion. But it's good we set the record straight. I think going forward, by now, everybody will understand what happened and why it happened. Thank you very much. As Oluwatosi is concerned, I'm still in jail for him, but as critical thinkers, I'm taking a step back. So if you see me tomorrow on any panel, I'm speaking as Oluwatosi. I'm not speaking as critical thinkers. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much for that clarification. And the whole show will not be complete without appreciating, especially God Almighty, and also some few people that all of you are appreciated. God bless you. I heard that the Ishak yesterday's submission. God bless you every day, anytime. Yeye Baba Gunwa, we love you as critical thinkers. God bless you in all you do. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. 21 million times. You are indeed a mother that everyone, deserve to have. Your care for the true justice is unquestionable. Your loyalty to the cause of justice can never be doubted. I appreciate you for all you do. Mommy Coach, God bless you. Mommy G-Babe, Yeti 70, Toyi Peperimpe, General Vengeance, Buki JC, Mommy Comfy, we love you. We are together. You understand? We are together. We go nowhere, but we are still the same hall. But we're just, Mommy Rianu, Mommy Elizabeth, Layo Cute, Adebukola Otumba, God bless this. Everyone, Prince the Prince, God of Justice, Mr. Chesson, God bless you. In fact, the names are much. We can't continue. Sister Mori, T. Babi, God bless everyone. I cannot. If I say I should continue.
Me.
What's the name? Mommy Coach. God bless you. Vengeance. God bless you. Obaro, God bless you. God above the Lord, God bless you. Alayo Mini, God bless you. Blood of Jesus, God bless you. Egbon VDM, God bless you. The list is long. And the love is massive. Westo, God bless you. Spicy Gist, Fearless, Ikeoluwa, God bless you. Amazing, superb women that stands for justice. Sexy Me, Moschino, God bless you abundantly for always adding your voice. We are together. We are together. We are together. And we also say that God bless Labubu. God bless Joy in my heart. God bless Nobuzara. My brother. For all you do for J4M. Everything, everyone is standing for. God bless you. The Ish, God bless you. Thank you. Let me quickly say this.
And let me say this one. Special shout out to those that we reached out to last week. Your name said absolutely fantastic. You did what you had to do. Amazing souls. Thank you so much for that.
The Mola is trying. Emma Pumo. The blood of Jesus.
We reached out.
The blood of Jesus. Okay, Mom, Jesus, blood of Jesus.
Enemy in disguise. Can
you just change it to blood? I be Jesus.
Some people
Enemy in
She said it yesterday, please, sir.
believe you me.
Please never use that name. She don't appreciate it. Please, I'm begging you.
That's what you people don't know.
Blood of Jesus' name, please.
We normally make inquiry. We consult. Sorry, let me use that word. We consult 100%. When we want to start using senators each account.
Radical blood Jesus.
Has to do with accountability. We don't have to disturb about Mohbad on accountability. We just tell senators, print out the account statement, put it out, then we all go forward. That's one of the another thing critical thinkers, they put up. And the funniest thing is this: everybody, including Tony Pepe, I spoke with her on that decision. She was fine with it. Buki just say I called her, I spoke with her with that decision. She was fine with it. Mommy Comfy, all the hosts agree on that step. You understand? So let me say it. In that movement, we generated 18 million plus. 18 million plus. Then 5 million was given to Sanshitu for the DPP appeal, whatever. And the 13 million is safe and is sound. A whole lot of calls have come in yesterday. This is about the money. This is about the money. There is no one penny that will leave the account that will not be unanimously agreed. So it is what it is. The law I never knew that we just saying, but when I know what when I know say all the critical commenters, God bless you. All the critical
Titi Kush, le blame ó ti sọ pé tóun bá gbowó òun accountability ó ní ẹ má òun ò ní ṣe o ó ti sọ ó right tí ó bá ṣe tó bá ṣe wẹ̀rẹ̀ fún wọn ó right ṣe báwọn lọ́gàn gbà jẹ́ báwọn sọ fún wọn gbà yẹn.
mo ní ká ní wọn dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mo máa sùn wọn bọ́ lọ́n yọ wọ́n pọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín torí wọn bá tiẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bọ̀ náà ibi táwa tí ì wò rè so ó máa dàbí ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé ibi táwa tí ì wò wọn kà wá kù ni.
Ibi gangan ni fire ti kọ́kọ́ land ibi ni wọ́n ti wá recognize ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Ọlọ́run ló dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ mi Ọlọ́run ló lọ pẹ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run ló fi ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Mi ò kí n ṣe wọn tó máa ń gbé ìfẹ́ wọn pé I'm really sad, I'm really joy.
A lot of people tí wọ́n ṣáà dárúkọ wọn nítorí ẹ̀kọ́ bínú. Bọ́dẹ̀ dárúkọ wọn èèyàn kan wọ́n máa bínú.
Dárúkọ gbé èèyàn náà.
Máa gbọ́ náà. Láyé á ti pọ̀ jù.
Police lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọtí, you understand?
Á ti pọ̀ jù.
Ẹ worú Sista Adétọ́lá Àdùkẹ́yẹ sì kọ̀ dárúkọ.
Máa gbọ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ àgbọ̀ ṣì ń ṣe accountability lọ o.
Yomi come and learn o. Yomi ẹ bá ń tàgì Yomi ẹjọ́ o. Ó wá lẹ́yìn bọ́ ṣe ṣe accountability olè. Ògbówó olówó fẹ́ ṣe accountability.
And I want to say this, God bless every true justice seeker. We are not, we don't want to open the life to start talking vis-a-vis and all that. But we're just here to make that clarification and to make it stated, to emphatically state it that we are not backing out. Tomorrow, you not see us castigating Joseph Aloba. No.
They said the request any clan doesn't work.
Will
grant him the true justice he wants.
Better to walk away.
Weekend we can have a show. We're together on this issue. We'll talk about it, and don't worry. Anytime you have a
ẹ má ṣe pé lórí pílàfọ́ọ̀mù mi wọn mi àgbẹ̀rù wá ṣe pé mi ṣàlè lè pa wọ́n.
it's just that the sitting
ilé
arrangement.
kọ́wọ́ mi nìkan tí wàá dọ̀tí ni wọ́n àìmọye tí mo ti kàn tó tẹ pé ọmọ màá fẹjọ́ mi sùn káàkiri ni ìdí ẹ̀ mi máa kún. ẹgbàdo ńlá tó fẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ọdún ní play ẹmọye ẹjẹ máa play ti yọ̀ mi tó bá ti ké ìdàbí.
tó fàlọ́jì ẹjọ́ a ṣe máa play anytime tá a bá ráyè a máa play Yomi a lè fi ṣe yẹ̀yẹ̀. tẹ bá rí
ẹ ó ṣe sọ pé tẹ bá ráyè sí ẹ lè play.
ẹ ṣe tẹ bá rí bó ṣe ń bọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ká ṣe tán bì.
ó máa bọ́ ìlú ó máa bọ́ ìlú ó ti sọ lẹ́lẹ̀ ó máa kára ó máa para mú
ẹyẹ èèyàn ẹ play fún àṣẹrẹ èèyàn tẹ máa sọ pé àwọn tí kíkà tí nǹkan máa jáde ọmọ abú bàbá kíní kan a ní gbogbo yín sẹ a ní tí máa ń fi emotion sí i.
tọ́kàwé.
wọn ò lè bú
ẹni máa ń fi emotion sí i.
báyìí náà kọ́ ló pé ohun
ilé sọ fún yín
tí bàbá
tí bàbá tó di lọ́la tí bàbá bá sọ pé òun ti sign ọmọ ní ọmọ padà.
of course.
ẹ nà ó.
tí bàbá bá sign ní èyí nírọ̀lẹ́ ọmọ àti ìjọba lọ́la.
for now so ti yé wa báyìí.
for now they are stepping back for now. èèyàn kan sọ pé step down is kíní kan ní culture ẹ máa bọ̀ bí mo ní mẹ́sẹ̀gì ilẹ̀ kan.
I think I love the way they handle the situation because of Baba 100%. Bó ṣe kó ṣe ní wọ́n pè ní maturity and professionalism.
Kọ́níkàdé ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀tì fẹ́lẹ́sì ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀tì fẹ́ sọ pé because of Baba come for you the same person yẹn lè máa drag. I don't understand how they train you o sorry o like me I am not.
For the people
I really appreciate them.
Because I knew when they saw that reaction yesterday, some people have been saying, started crying.
Exactly.
For the people we have disappointed, I mean people in the other group. You know the group that I'm saying.
God bless you.
Because they send me screen record.
Wọ́n wẹ́ ni kúnra àwọn títí wọ́n ti jóná tán wẹ́ ni
We are
kúnra.
very sorry to disappoint you.
God
We are
bless
not
you jare.
stupid. We will not come out and
Exactly,
be
we are not
bashing the man.
stupid.
Whatever his decision
Ẹni
is,
tí tiẹ̀ ti jóná
his
kò ní
decision
kó
is his
ná
decision.
ẹni ẹ sọ pé stepping down is also gbé wọn ṣe mọ́ mo ní mẹ́sẹ̀gì ilẹ̀ kan.
His decision.
ngbà kan ní for now how long okay kan sọ fún wa pé okay expect us as well maybe we want to take a rest a break for like 2-3 months àbí nǹkankan but for now can be indefinite.
wọ́n ní táwọn bá wà wájú tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ní nísìnyí wọ́n ti wà lẹ́yìn wọ́n ní sọpọlọ ní ìlú owó ní owó ó ti yá wa oníkálukú ní kó fọpọlọ sí ọkọ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí.
ẹsẹ̀ ẹ máa sọ pé ó ti yé ẹ̀yìn ẹ má nà ti yá wa kò yá wa táwọn méjèèjì sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin ló yé ó lè má yẹ sí kọ̀chọ̀ ẹjẹ́ sí kọ̀chọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin ló yé kò tí yé.
sí ni pé iṣẹ́ rẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá sọ pé I want to step down for now tèmi ò bá fẹ́ tèmi àtàwọn èèyàn bá wà in a place ó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe máa ń ṣe tèmi mi ò kí ń báyàn jà ṣó yé yín tí bá ti rí pé òkè ọ̀nà yìí ò ń ṣe ọ̀nà tí mo fẹ́ gbà mọ́ màá kàn sún sẹ́yìn díẹ̀ ni sún sẹ́yìn yẹn láàrin lọ́wọ́ mo lè sọ wọn pé mò ń bọ̀ báyìí o bẹ́ẹ̀ mi sọ wọn lọ́kàn ara mi pé mi ò padà wá síbẹ̀ yẹn mọ́ ṣó yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tí bá sọ pé ẹ fún mi níbi mo ń bọ̀ mo fẹ́ sáré débẹ̀ ẹ fún mi bíi 2 weeks màmá kìkì mo ti ṣe àdéhùn 2 weeks fáwọn pípù yìí o mo ti ṣe àdéhùn 3 weeks fáwọn pípù yìí o bẹ́ẹ̀ tí bá ní for now that is indefinite bẹ́ẹ̀ mi kàn tèmi rí sí nìyẹn tí bá ní for now kò mean kankan mo lè decide tí wọ́n sọ pé for tàbá wá bá mi ní in another 1 year tó sọ pé alpha àkín sọ pé mo ṣì wà lẹ́yìn ní for now yẹn I have not said anything. So it could be that mo ṣe mọ́ it could be that okay mo ń wò yín o it could be that bóyá okay mo sì fẹ́ máa lọ rò ó ṣe mọ̀ ó pín yẹlẹyẹlẹ so tó máa sọ pé tó máa sọ fún wa sí pé kí àwọn ò ṣe mọ́ ṣe máa sọ pé ṣe mọ́ nǹkan kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe kà sí pé subtle way láti sọ fún wa pé for now àwọn ò dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mọ́ ni kan tí mo rí nìyẹn kan tó yé mi sí nìyẹn. Only for now it's not meaning anything.
Ṣé mo lè sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wà.
Nǹkan tó tèmi rò pọ̀ as a body as critical thinker kì í ṣe nìkan kì í ṣe ní méjì they are taking a break but as an individual they are still there but nǹkan tó ń sọ fún wa tẹ́lẹ̀ ni pé ṣe mọ̀ pé most informations àwọn náà máa ń wá fún wa as a body as a critical thinker pé bàbá tún sọ báyìí o tàbí time tá a bá fẹ́ dáwó ẹja ṣe báyìí fún bàbá ẹja but for now they are stepping back on those things ìyẹn ni pé
So another people must still take it off. Àwọn ọ̀nà bíi tún ṣe lè ṣe. Ṣé ti yé yín?
ẹni ẹja ẹ ti gbà
Àwọn ọ̀nà
tán
bíi lọ́la
ẹni
sọ lè okùn kan sọ pé àwọn honourable thinking. Ó ti yé yín.
but àwọn eléyìí gan pẹ̀lú
Àwọn eléyìí ti step down. Àwọn ẹlẹ́mìí tún wọ ẹlẹ́mìí lè jáde gbọ́dọ̀ òun scorpion thinker.
ẹni tó bá lè ṣe but nǹkan tẹ́mi rò pé láwọn eléyìí gan ni pé they just want to achieve their goal their aim tí bàbá bá jáde lọ́la sìn tó bá ready láti sign kí náà pè fẹ́ petition àbí zoom file àbí òun náà ń kọ paper yẹn these people are ready to come back because wọ́n fẹ́ achieve nǹkan kan ni ìgbà tí bàbá dẹ̀ sọ fún pé kán lọ ní sùúrù according to your pé Sanshitu tó jẹ́ lọ́ọ̀yà wọn ó máa take ẹ̀ hàn
Ọ̀nà máa tún jáde.
ẹ ò ní bàbá làwọn ilé ìfihàn rò pé well nígbà tí bàbá ti sọ pé nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ ṣe o lọ́ọ̀yà àwọn náà tí ló máa ṣe o káwọn lọ ní sùúrù well káwọn fà sẹ́yìn díẹ̀ kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni but I still believe they are to justice for Mohbad but no more as critical thinker for now they are stepping back as critical thinker but as individual àṣìjọ máa sọ̀rọ̀ àṣìjọ máa sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí lórí platform káàkiri lórí justice for Mohbad that's my own thinking anyway my opinion ẹ ṣé thank you.
Sister Mo, ṣé kí sáyé sọ̀rọ̀ àbí ẹlòmíì fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ then I can go. Okay, ṣé go. Good evening everybody, my beautiful family, ẹ kálẹ́ everybody. Yes, I agree with Mommy more like what nǹkan tí Mommy Mole sọ. It means ṣé mo it's like tẹ́ bá ń báyọ̀ ṣe nǹkan it's like when you have a contract say for this contract I'm going to stop on this contract for now. I'm going to come back to it later. So what one mean we're stepping back for now because anyone shemo wani we're stepping back, we're giving up, we're no more doing it anymore. But what they're saying that we're stepping back for now, but as time goes on, if everything works out the way it wants to, then we're still there. We're still going to take it on. But for now, we're just moving back. Won't give up completely, no. That's what that means. We're not giving up completely. But because of the situation on ground, we're just going to take a break and just see how it goes. We see how the water was. Because we're signing it, they're back on track. But to give up, but they're not saying that. And as an individual, like so as an individual, they're still there. They're still on there, full force. But as the critical thinkers, as what they do as critical thinkers, we're going to just hold back for now. I think that's what they meant, which is a very good way to handle it. No, we're not doing it. That is the best way to handle it, with maturity, with wisdom, and with integrity. That is what they did. That is the best way, and I give it to them. I actually give it to them. So that, for me, that's how I understand it. So when you know what, I'm going to hear from them again in the next few weeks. That is for me. Yes,
because it still boils down to what I said.
Yeah, of course, it's both ways.
It still boils down because that is a very, very indefinite. As long as they are still taking the back seat. That's what it is.
Baba will never say change of verse. Baba has said the lawyer after you feel you pẹ̀lú Sanshitu, and this critical thinker they say the lawyer cannot fojú rinjú. So why you not say Baba can gbà?
Auntie Amori, and you learn sorrow by trust. Shadi, when things are going,
I trust. I know you agree on that, G, but I know Baba will never gbà.
Baba will gbà. Baba will gbà. Baba, let me tell you, Shadi, in life, we have to be optimistic. Shadi, sometimes, Shadi, most of us human beings, and I know it's normal, we give up easily. But sometimes in the war, in the battleground, you have to go. Shall sometimes suru? And you
No, I called you my bond. I'm just saying you were with my own Edini.
no, I agree. And I know a lot of people will feel that way. And for me, I don't know, I didn't feel that way. And me feel Papa will come back, Papa will reason and he will sign it. It might not be now, it might not be tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm a negative. I am a negative.
You're not negative. Or not negative.
No, any be positive. So let me be positive. Tell what?
Oh, okay.
Any mama, video.
Okay, no, yeah,
if you call it critical think out, and about critical think out, and my be can he be me bio?
Jerry, at the end of the day, no, and Tiamori, with all of us, we just have to wait and see how everything unfolds. Sherry, if they want to do it, if they feel they can do it, everybody, what we want is justice. Justice, that's what we want. So we want
let me tell you something. Yesterday, Guresi said, yesterday, Guresi said, àwọn ìgbà tí wọ́n tó fi ìwé ránṣẹ́ sí bàbá kà, Guresi kà, Guresi sọ pé Shak ẹ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Lánàá àná yẹn sí ẹni tí bàbá ti make amendment, ní jáde títí di aago 6 lé ní ṣẹ́gbà. But wọ́n dúró, wọ́n wẹ̀yìn. Bàbá gbá lẹ́tà náà, bàbá dẹ̀ ká, Guresi dẹ̀ sọ. Wọ́n dúró, wọ́n wẹ̀yìn. Kò sí kíní. Yes now. Ìkọ́ tó wá ká ìṣẹ̀bọ̀ tó wà, Guresi sọ lánàá bí báyìí.
Lady MC.
Wọ́n dúró, wọ́n wẹ̀yìn. Bàbá ò kò fún ọ ní rí kíní. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
When you are doing your program these days, ó yẹ kó máa bá wá orin tó yẹ kéèyàn lè jù sí. This is the time for us to be in the right mood.
Àwọn olórin wá dà báyìí. Kókó dára ti
You see, on this justice for Mohbad, we are blessed. We are blessed. Oore t'Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ṣe fún wa, ó yẹ ká máa appreciate it. Ẹnìkan òṣèlú. Ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn ní ń jẹ́jọ̀ mọ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn ló ń jẹ́jọ̀ mọ́. And Amori, there are things that are fundamentals to keeping a troop, in keeping soldiers alive. You need good leadership. You need clear order, very clear order. You need disciplined soldiers. They are crucial. What happened since Sunday to date is a test of some key factors. Táwọn tó ń wò wá lánàá tí wọ́n máa wò wípé ṣé wọ́n mọ tán ṣe àbọ̀ mọ tán ṣe. Ṣé wọ́n kàn wá jà ni àbí wọ́n ní mission. A ti ń sọ àwọn kan rò pé theory ni. Wọ́n wò pé you have not been really tested. Ẹ má bù alọ́ba o, no matter what. Ẹ má bù alọ́ba o, no matter what. From Sunday to date, that has been tested. Shall pass about fail.
Pass.
Shall ti bù alọ́ba. We are talking about clear order. Allah ló lórí. Olórí wa give order. Order to give. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ lánàá. Àwọn ìyá mi, bàbá mi gbogbo wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Critical thinkers sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu. Ṣé wọ́n disobey order?
No.
Wọ́n ní tí bàbá bá fẹ́ ṣe, we are still with him. They did not disobey the order. Are we disciplined or not?
We are.
We are disciplined. Cherry, there are tests of authenticity. You want to know real men. Àwọn èèyàn tó jẹ́ níwò. tó bá real in anything you do in life, you will naturally attract attention and respect. And you will not be desperate for anything. Bàbá ò wá lóun ò gba advice mi. I'm now looking for attention by causing darkness, by causing him, by saying he will never get justice. That means the person is not real. We are genuine. I can say it categorically. Because first thing in life, ẹni tí ò bá mọra ẹ̀ kò lè mọ nǹkan kan. First awareness is your self-awareness.
Yes.
It is when you are self-aware, when you know yourself, that you can have confidence in yourself.
Yes.
Ibi tá a bára wa dé láti jẹta dé ní. Tá a bá dára wa mọ̀ ni, a ní máa fọwọ́ sọ̀yà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Tá a bá dára wa mọ̀ ni, we can be emotional. Mo sọ lánàá pé tá a bá ń sunkún a máa ríran.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
A ti gbéra wa wò. Wa wò pé kí la wá nu justice. A sọmọ nù. Àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ bọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ ti rí mi. Gbogbo wa wá ti torí yẹn ká ní kọ́run ya bọ́lẹ̀. Níta tó ń sọ lénìí is that àníkọ́ ló ń bá wa dúró ta lọ́ba kó borí ọ̀tá ẹ̀. That is the positive action. A need jù yẹn lọ. You see the decision of the critical thinkers. A lot of people ní mọ̀ pé threat wọlé. And nígbà tí mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, I started with a troop. Nígbà tá a wà lójú ogun, kí ló keep soldiers intact? Do you have a threat detector? Threat. Àwọn critical thinkers ní wọ́n ti wò far ahead. But one thing is still keeping this course standing. Vision. If you have vision on anything that you do, tó bá jẹ́ pé irọ́ la wá pátá la wà lẹ́yìn alọ́ba àti wo. But that vision, that same mission, that shared goal will keep the troops safe. This troop will be safe till the last day. It is time for us to navigate. Navigation lele. Situational awareness lele. Ìjì máa ń jà lójú ogun. Àwa wò pé something is wrong here now. Assess the situation through our natural sight. Ojú la fi ní ní equipment tá fi detect. Àwọn èèyàn wá gbé àsínà káàkiri. Wọ́n wò pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi Bíbélì kó wa lómi ọbẹ̀ jẹ. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi Kùránì, wọ́n fẹ́ fi gba nǹkan lọ́wọ́ wa. Wọ́n ń tàn wá bí wọ́n ń ṣe kíní bí. Wọ́n wá lo natural sight. Wọ́n wá navigate. Wọ́n ti rí threat. And we are able to navigate. And today, I can boldly say that I'm proud of the decision reached by the critical thinkers. Kí ni tó ń sọ fún wa? Ẹrù thinking tank, being the think tank, the brain of this movement, tí wọ́n bá wa ronú, tí wọ́n bá wa bí ìgbà tí caucus tó yẹ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ti ń launch all attacks against the enemy and don't build the shield around Baba so that attack will not penetrate. Tí wọ́n project image ẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá wọ́n ní for now in spirit they are with Aloba, body wọn they are with Aloba, but they are saying that formation, that grouping, àjọṣepọ̀ táwọn ọmọ ronú ń pa àwọn nǹkan kan àwọn gbé sẹ́yìn náà, àwọn náà darapọ̀ mọ́ wa as member of Justice for Mohbad. Wọ́n kúrò nínú ẹgbẹ́ o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ rí wípé àwọn kan wà tó ń surround bàbá lénìí tọpọlọ wọn pé ju tiwa lọ. wọ́n rí wípé àwọn legal team kan wà pẹ̀lú bàbá lẹ́ni tí wọ́n sand ju legal tá a fẹ́ lọ gbà lọ. But I love the presentation in such a way that they made it clear. Aloba ò lọ́wọ́ nínú ikú ọmọ ẹ̀. Aloba is looking for justice. Tiwa ni wípé àwa ran Aloba lọ́wọ́. Alágbàro ò sì lè ga ju ẹni tó gbà ṣiṣẹ́ lọ.
Ti rí ohun tí a mú wá fún wa lénìí. Ẹ bá wa like, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa subscribe sí orí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ẹ bá wa tẹ notification bell so that a bá tún mú àwọn àkọ̀tun wá fún wa. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ò kọ́kọ́ máa rí. Títí di ìgbà tá ò tún máa pàdé lórí Òjíṣẹ́ TV. Ó dàbọ̀.